guys for 2018. First we have the Kenmore Auric New Hoover Wind Tunnel Anniversary Wind Tunnel Bagged Upright, Hoover Elite Dyson DC07, and Hoover Bagless Chin Chamber. Move these cords out of the way. And we're going to start with the Hoover Bagless Twin Chamber System. And I don't know if you can see right there, it says Go Chiefs, because we want the Chiefs to win. Okay, so I'm ready to, alright, we are ready to go in 3, 2, 1, on the air! When I turn it on, you'll see the cyclonic action. Alright, now the Hoover Elite. Now, it's the last video. I cleaned out the dirt sensor, but it still works. But I'll show you how it works right now. Last but not least, the Kenmore. Okay.
Do we have a winner?
The winner is, I think that one won.
Which one?
Because it looked like it cleaned a bunch.
Pull it out. Tell us about it.
Well, as you can see right here, it says Wind Tunnel Technology.
How'd you get this one?
I got this one from my math teacher.
Who?
Miss Lana. And, yeah. And I hope everybody enjoys the Super Bowl. Go Chiefs!